Welcome to the company introduction, ladies and gentlemen, of Miata Metals on Commodity TV. The world gold production looks more and more to peak, and as a consequence, exploration is key for new mines in the future. Miata Metals is such a gold explorer which should be looked at. They work in Suriname, which is home of large mines from Newmont and Zijin Mining. The country gets more and more attention as it is pro-mining jurisdiction with a favorable tax and mining laws regime. Exploration-wise, the ground in Suriname has been relatively untouched by modern mineral exploration. The company has over 32.3 million shares outstanding with approximately 8.3 million warrants and options. With a share price at 13 September of 76 Canadian cents, the market cap stands around 25 million Canadian dollars. The share structure is impressive, with 44% held by management and founders, 21% from strategic and HNWI investors, 10% retail and 25% are acquisition shareholders. Miata is working in a fully permitted Greenstone Belt with their Sela Creek and Nassau Projects. They cover over 400 square kilometers within the prolific Greenstone Belt of Suriname. The extent of artisanal mining on these projects is similar in scale to the level of activity seen at the Rosebel Zijin mine with 3.5 million ounces and the Newmont Project with 3.9 million ounces. The management has also strong in-country relationships and has built strong in-country support and relationships with local stakeholders and drilling companies, which allow for low drilling costs, ample labor and efficient lab processing times. Today, they are running an aggressive ground program. Miata is fully funded to complete the groundwork program, testing the multiple existing pits on the Sela Creek project in order to vector in on drilling targets. Groundwork will be followed up by over 200 square kilometers of LiDAR testing to further delineate drill targets. The Sela Creek project saw in large parts local mining for decades. New shallow mining pits are continually exposed, allowing geologists to map new and fresh exposure with every visit. The surface miners are an integral part of the exploration team and strategy. Gold occurs in quartz veins and is associated with sulfides. There are 30 square kilometers of open-pit mining activities, and the Sela Creek concession covers more than 200 square kilometers of the Guyana Greenstone Belt. The project contains 7 main pits and targets that are encompassed by 2 larger shear zones. These pits have all yielded excellent historical results, and some continue to be mined to this day by artisanal miners. The project is located only 235 kilometers from the capital of Suriname in Paramaribo. It is currently accessible by a combination of motorized canoe and fixed-wing aircraft. The project has the potential for an on-site fixed-wing airstrip plant, and a government resource road will be built shortly to roughly 35 kilometers from the concession. The second project is the Nassau Project with the Marinara Target. It showed so far gold-bearing auger samples containing up to 1.34 grams gold per ton over 8 meters and surface rock samples containing up to 3.44 grams gold per ton. This could be a probable source for the bamboo, whitledge and bowl placer deposits which were mined for the past century. The Nassau Project is located 125 kilometers southeast of Paramaribo and almost 100 kilometers north of the Sela Project and is accessible via a logging road. The project is situated less than 10 kilometers south of Newmont's Marion mine and along the regional strike of Zijin's Rosebel mine. The project has almost 20,000 hectares of area concessions. The whitledge target has widespread high-grade quartz veins with surface sampling showing almost 28 grams gold per ton over 1 meter of quartz veins with 31 of 65 surface samples showing values larger than half a gram gold per ton. The Marinara Target is 3 kilometers long and a northwest trending geophysical anomaly which is assumed to be a source of placer deposits with the highest assays grading 4.5 grams gold per ton. The company signed a definitive agreement for 100% in the Sela Creek gold project and found grab samples with up to 133 grams gold per ton gold in recently exposed bedrock in a stranger pit. Representative chip samples showed up to 3.1 grams gold per ton over 3 meters in the same pit, and grab samples of up to 39 grams gold per ton were found in recently exposed veins of the Puma target. In addition, showed grab samples up to 25 grams gold per ton in an extension of John's pit. The Stranger pit and Puma target are still untested by drilling, which should give the company lots of positive surprise potential. Check out Miata Metals. You find all information also on our Commodity TV app in German and English, plus all about commodities. We are happy for a like, but more important, please subscribe to our TV channels. Please note the disclaimer. The share discussed will be or could be part or is already part of the SRC Mining Special Situation Certificate. And thanks for watching us, and bye-bye from Switzerland.